Chapter 7 Lifeline of National Economy. We use different material and services in our daily life. Some of these are available in our immediate surrounding, while other requirements are met by bringing things from other places. Goods or services do not move from locales to demand local on their own. The movement of these goods and services from their supply location to demand location necessitates the need for the transport. Some people are engaged in facilitating these movements. These are known to be traders who makes the product come to the consumer by transportation. Thus, the pace of development of a country depend upon the production of goods and services as well as their movement uh, over space. Therefore, effective effective means of transport over space. Therefore, if efficient means of transport over space efficient mean of transport are prerequisites for fast development. Movement of these goods and services can be over three important domains of our earth: land, water and air. Based on these, transport can also be classified into land, water and air transport. For a long time, trade and transport were restricted to a limited space. With the development in science and technology, the area of influence of trade and transport expanded far and wide. Today, the world has been converted into a large village with the help of efficient and fast-moving transport. Transport has been able to achieve this with the help of equality development communication system. Therefore, transport, communication, and trade are complementary to each other. Today, India is well linked with the rest of the world despite its vast size, diversity, and linguistic and socio-cultural polarities. Railways, airways, waterways, newspaper, radio, television, cinema, and internet etc. have etc. have been contributing to its socio-economic progress in many ways. The trade from local to international level have added to the vitality of its economy. It has enriched our life and added substantially to growing amenities and facilities for the comfort of life. In this chapter, you will see how modern means of transport and communication serve as lifeline of our nation and its modern economy. It is thus evident that a dense and efficient network of transport and communication is a prerequisite for local, national, and global trade of today. Transport, roadways. India has one of the largest road network in the world, aggregating to about 2.3 million kilometers. At present, in India, roadways have proceeded railway. They are still has an edge over railway in view of the ease with which they can be built and maintained. The growing importance of the road transport with rail transport is rooted in the following reason: A construction cost of a road is much lower than that of railway lines. B. Road can be traversed comparatively more desolate and undulating topography. Road can negotiate higher gradient of slopes and as such as a transverse mountain such as Himalayas. Road transport is economically in transportation of few person and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distance. It also provide a door-to-door service. Thus, the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. If road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway station, air and seaport in India. Road are classified in the following six classes according to their capacity. Look at the map of the national highway and the find out about the significant role of by these road. Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway. The government has launched a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, and Delhi by 6 lane superhighway north south corridor linking Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, and Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. The east west corridor connecting Silchar, Assam, and Porbandar, Gujarat are the part of this project is to reduce the time and distance between projects are being implemented by National Highway Authority of India NHAI National highways link extreme part of the country. These are primary road system and are led by maintained by the Central Public Work Department CPWD. A number of major national highway run in a south, north, south, and east-west direction. The historical Sher Sansuri Marg is called National Highway number 1 between Delhi to and Amritsar. State highway road linking a new state capital with different district headquarters are known as state highway. These roads are constructed and maintained by the state public work department PWD in state and union territory. District road. These roads are roads connected with district headquarters with other places of district. These roads are maintained by Jila Parisad. Other roads, rural roads which link rural areas and villages with the town and are classified under the category. These road received special impetus under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provision are made so that every village in the country is linked to a major town in the country by an all seasons unmotable road. Border roads. Apart from these border roads organized by a government of India undertaking construction and maintain road in the border areas of the country, this organization was established in 1916 for the development of the road of strategic importance in northern and northeastern border. These roads have improved accessibility in areas to difficult terrain and have helped the economic development of these areas. Roads can be classified on the basis the type material used for their construction, such as metalled and unmetalled road. Metalled road may be made of cement, concrete, or even bitumen of coal. Therefore, these are all weather roads. Unmatted roads go out of use in rainy season. Road density. The length of a road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as density of a road. Distribution of a road is not uniformly in the country. Density of all road varies from only 10 to 0.04 kilometer in Jammu and Kashmir to 532.27 27 kilometer in Uttar Pradesh. 2007 and 2008 with the national average of 1025 0.2 kilometer. 2007 to 2008 road transport in India face a number of problems. Keeping in views the keeping views volume of traffic and passengers. Road network is inadequate. About half of the road are unmelted, and this limit uses during the rainy season. The headquarter national highways are inadequate too. Moreover, the roadways are highly congested in cities, and most of these bridges and culverts are old and narrow. Railway are the principal mode of transportation for fridged and passenger in India. Railway make it possible to conduct multifarious activity like business, sightseeing, pilgrimages, along with the transportation of good over longer distance. Apart from an important means of transport, the Indian Railway have been a great integrating force for more than 150 years. Railway in India bind the economy life of the country as well as accelerate the accelerate the development of the industry and agriculture. The Indian Railway have network of 7,133 stations spread over a route length of 64,460 kilometer with a fleet of 9,213 locomotives, 53,220 passenger services vehicle, 6,493 other coaches vehicle, and 2,29,381 wagons on the March 2011. Indian Railway is now recognized into 16 zones. The distribution pattern of the railway network in the country has been largely influenced by the physiography, economic and administrative factor. The northern plains with their vast level land, high population density and rich agricultural resources provide the most favorable condition for their growth. However, a large number of rivers require construction of bridges across their wide belt, posted some obstacles in the hilly terrain of peninsular region. Railway tracks are laid through low hills, gaps, or tunnels. The Himalayas mountain regions are too unfavorable for the construction of railway lines due to the high relief, sparse population, and lack of economic opportunities. Likewise, it was difficult to lay railway lines on the sandy plains of the western Rajasthan, swamps of Gujarat, forested tract of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. The contiguous stretch of Sahyadri could be crossed only through gap of the passes. Ghats in recent times, the development of the Konkan Railway along the west coast has facilitated the movement of passengers and the good in this most important economic region of India. It has also faced a number of problems such as sinking of track and some stretches and landslides. Today the railway have become more important in our national economy than all other means of transport put together. However, rail transport suffer from certain problems as well. Many passengers travel without ticket. Theft and damaging of railway property has not yet stopped completely. People stop the train, pull the chains unnecessary, and this causes heavy damage up to the railway. Think over it. How can help our railway in running as per the scheduled time? And our part one is now completed. Our chapter will continue with the other part.